welcome back. Okay, today I have a BACARDI lock, number 42. Thanks ever so much for the locks, Mr. BACARDI. They've been absolutely awesome. I can't thank you enough. So I thought I'd try and get into 42 today. As you can see by the bitting, pretty savage challenge lock bitting. Obviously got a really low cut pin there, and then obviously 2, 3, 4 and 5 back there. As you would imagine, the lock works absolutely beautifully. It's all locked up. It's a Falcon, as you can see there, BB42, BACARDI. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, let's see what it takes to get into this today. Let's zoom in for you. Let's get it squared up a little bit. Okay, change the line a bit there. That's good. Okie dokie. Okay, I'm going to use a deforest diamond here. I'm going to change the line a bit. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that thing. So I'm going to go through there. So I've had to come inside today because I'm normally down in the shed, and but it's bleeding awful out there today, if I'm being honest. Okie dokie, right, super light tension, the back of the lock. Okay, here we go. Okay, pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Got a slight turn on the core on 5. 4, got to click out of 4. Using virtually no tension at all. Let's make sure you see that. Okay. Look, click out 3. Okay, look, click out 2, and a little bit more turn on the core. Okay, a little bit of counter on 2, another click. Okay, click out 3, click out 2 out of 4, and click out 5 and a turn on the core. Okay, a little bit more turn on the core on 5. Click out 2, I think that was. stuck pick. Yeah, still got my full set there. Click out 4. I'll click out 2 there. I've got that set now. This is one tough cookie. Okay, I got another click out of 3 there. Another click out of 4. Click out 3. That's the overset side, I think. Just looking for count up. Okay, count up. Okay, got a deep full set now of 3. And we're open off a 5. Yes. Whew. Now that was a battle. Okay, you can see we're open there. Whew. Okay, let's get this in frame. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's put it there. Let's just zoom out. Okay, get this locked back up because we do have a key. It works lovely. Change the light in a bit. That's good. Okie dokie. Mr. BACARDI, another awesome lock there. Thank you very much. I haven't got as much light down here at the house. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, without pinning myself in the eyeball. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to put the glasses on. See what I'm doing. Okay, the little spring. That's the little spring. And I get the key. And of course a shim. think we're in there now. Now the follower, pinned it to me. Okay, we're fine. Okay, that's good. One, two, three, four, five. Ah, 5-pin key and 6 pins. Very nice. No wonder it gave you so much trouble. Okay. Number 1 is a spool with a nice serration in there. Obviously an overset trap. Number 2 is a spool. Just get my tweezers. Number 3 is standard. Wow. Number 4 is serrated spool. Number 5 is a spool. And number 6, which you didn't expect, is a double spool. And in the core, chambers 1, 4 and 6 are threaded. Let's tie the last one, I see better. I think that makes it a bit better actually. Okay, the Bible. Okay. That shim. Okay. Okay, number 1 is an assa pin, an assa barrel, goes up that way. And a steel spring. Pin 2 is a barrel pin, go that way, and a copper spring. And number 3 is a spool. Go this way. Number 6 is a T-pin. Number 5 is a T-pin. It's got a spring there. It's also got something else in there as well. A sprung-loaded T-pin, like a drunken spool. Oh, very nice. 6. No wonder it gave me so much grief. And number 4 is a double serrated, which went that way, with a steel spring. And the spring number 3 is copper. In the Bible, everything's standard in the Bible. Okie dokie. Well, Mr. BACARDI, what an awesome lock. Just zoom into the pins there. We've got a double serrated there, which was an overset trap, like a barrel, no, like a tapered spool there. Standard in 3, a serrated in 4, a spool in 5, a spool T-pin in 6, an ASA pin in 1, like a barrel pin in 2, a spool in 3, a serrated in 4, a sprung loaded drunken spool in 5, and a T-pin in 6. Mr. BACARDI, awesome lock. Thank you ever so much. Thank you for all the locks. Sorry the video's a little bit long, but when you have to pick a BACARDI lock, that's what you get. Thanks ever so much. See you next time. Bye.